been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase.
What's up? Welcome back to another vlogging adventure. How's everyone doing today? Well, today's going to be a different video. Today's going to be, can you tell the difference between my old camera and my new GoPro Hero 9 Black? We're just going to take a quick walk around here. I'm going to record some of this with my old camera, and we're going to stop. Then I'm going to finish the rest of the video with my GoPro Hero 9, and leave a comment if you can tell the difference. Go up high and see how video is. But if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of vlogging outdoor adventures. I was doing this for a camera test. Alright, I'll stop it right here and we'll switch out to the GoPro and we'll check it out. Don't go nowhere. What's going on? Welcome back to the second part. Now we're on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. We're going to test out the footage. And make sure you leave a comment. Let me know which one's better. Because I did a couple test runs on the GoPro yesterday. And I uploaded to my computer and it looked way better. Like the stabilization's crazy on this camera, for real. It's like you can move it back and forth and you stay still. I like it. But this camera's gonna make a whole lot better videos, that's for sure. Just doing a quick walk. Just want to show everybody how good this camera is. It's awesome. And I think this camera picks up the sounds of the birds, which is pretty cool. We'll check it out. Local playground for the kiddies. As you can see. Alright. I know this ain't my it's a pretty boring video, but I just wanted to show everyone how good the footage is on these GoPros. I'm not endorsed or paid by GoPro, but in my opinion, if anybody wants to do a good video, get you a GoPro. But if anyone likes the vlogging outdoors videos, please consider subscribing. And go check out some of my past videos. My last video at the Cox Arboretum Metro Park in Dayton, Ohio. I'll leave the link in the box. Go check it out. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. But just remember, I was making those videos on my old camera, so the wind noise is a little hairy, and a lot of the videos a little bit shaky. But I do plan on going and redoing those videos in the future. And if you want to compare videos, check this one out, and go check out the Miami Mound one. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Go check it out and you let me know. You'd definitely be able to tell the difference for sure. Alright. Let's walk up here. But let me know how it looks. Leave a comment. I'm gonna walk up here to the main street here. Yeah, they're actually building a brand new Domino's like right here at the end of my street, so that's actually pretty cool. Better convenient. When they ask delivery or pickup, say pickup. They'll be like right up the street. We'll walk up here and see if I can get a shot of them. They should be up here working. I'm not sure because it's not raining, so. Excuse me. Get across the street, car coming. Get it right now. All right. Let's go up here to the main road here. Go up here and see if we can get a shot of it, I guess. Right over there in the middle of your screen is where it's at. This is kind of like a vlogging adventure. We're venturing up the sidewalk. Alright, let's see if we can zoom in and get a video of this. Alright, you can see there. Well, we got to look at the new Domino's just a little bit, I guess. I said it wasn't supposed to rain today, but the clouds tell otherwise. I don't know if I can see. I don't know if you can get the clouds in it or not. Can y'all see the clouds? It's really dark, clouded up. That was a pretty good walk to test out the GoPro against my other camera. But the video game is about to be boosted. Because if you look at my previous videos and look at this video, I'm 99% sure y'all can tell the difference. Leave a comment if you see this video. Leave a comment, whether it be good or bad. I like to read comments from everyone and find out where everybody's from. And I do appreciate all my old subscribers and also my new subscribers. With your support, it helps me make these videos. So I didn't think I would ever like to be like a YouTuber, but the more I get out here and make videos, the more I want to do it more and more. The smaller the camera was, I actually thought it was bigger, but you can actually fit this thing in the palm of your hand. It kind of looks like a smartwatch, you might as well say. All right. All right, let's walk back and see what we got. I really hope it looks good for y'all. All right, we're about to end of my walk and the end of this video to test out the footage. All right, well, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Well, like I said, leave a comment. Let me know how much better it is than from the beginning of the video. But like I say at the end of every video, please consider subscribing, like, share. All right, Vlogging Adventures out, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.